So let's get familiar with VS Code environment. So in the left we get all the files and folder which is opened. So currently we have opened CRUD project which we created in previous video. So these are the files with which we will be working. So now let's see how we can open the terminal. So for that you can see above in the toolbar there is new terminal, and there is a key binding also which is control and backtick. So you can use that. Here also you can see there is control and backtick which you can use to toggle terminal. You can use any of this. I will probably using control and backtick most of the time. And here I will be writing the command which will run our project. So php artisan serve. So now our project is running at this URL. So you can just copy this and open this, and let's paste here. It is already pasted. Let's refresh. So you can see that when we come to this URL we get this like a beautiful page which is the landing page which comes out of the box. Thank you. See you in the next video.